guys, welcome back to the channel. We are on an adventure today. So I sold that little mini Bobcat and we have cash to go buy something else. And guess what we're getting? We are getting another skid steer, not a Bobcat this time. But I found a full-size one that I want to buy, and we are headed down to Ohio to meet a guy and look at a skid steer, and hopefully this is the one. So we've got the trailer all hooked up. We're meeting another guy with a loader I'm selling, so we're gonna do a couple of things there, but we got a bit of a road trip ahead of us, so let's hit the road.
Hey Tim.
Yo.
We only have 3 hours and 56 minutes left.
Perfect, we're almost there. Look at this, guys, nothing but construction. We've been on the road 15 minutes, and it's been 15 minutes of construction. But we also wanted to tell you, this is the first road trip over an hour with this truck. This is the Cummins Swap F350. What?
Over 2 hours. So I took that one trailer up for that guy that one time.
Okay, AJ had to correct me like always. Second trip, or 2 hours. Second trip, 2 hours?
Yeah, this will be the first 4-hour trip for us.
Oh yeah, so sorry, I was wrong again. But no, we are rolling. We got about 3 hours and 45 minutes left to go. We'll show you some stops along the way. Well, it's here. It's bigger than I thought it would be, but that's a good thing. And I don't think it needs that much work. It needs paint. It definitely needs paint, but overall, I'm pretty happy with it. Got to do motor mounts, get the fuel system primed to get a battery in it, and then see if we can bring it back to life. But this is exciting.
Well worth the
Yeah, I mean,
8-hour trip.
It was a 10-hour day, so not so bad. But I got it for a good price. It's worth twice what I paid for it. So I'm excited. We're gonna get this thing going and really put it to use.
Pretty soon we'll be able to actually lift cabs off a truck.
Yeah, instead of having to roll them off, we'll be able to pick them up. Of course, I do need to finish my trailer. Just need another couple 100 hours to do that. If you guys haven't seen the other videos we have, the little mini Bobcat that we had before this, Avalanche, Dually Avalanche, Duramax Avalanche, Duramax Jeep, which you saw us jerk around with this, you got to check those out because never a dull moment with us. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching this episode, and we will catch you next time.